Top story. Man that make her dance, apocalyptic now. Man that make her dance, apocalyptic.
Hi there! Welcome back once again. This segment, I'm gonna teach you how to properly microwave your puppy. Come here, Beast. This is Beastacles. Before you microwave your dog, just take his collar off, just to be safe. You don't want any metal inside of your microwave. That's just dumb. Just open up this microwave and you gotta put him... a microwave is disgusting. We could fix that. Water, white vinegar, a microwavable bowl. Take some water, pour it into your bowl. About halfway would be good. You take some white vinegar, 3 capfuls. Put it in your microwave, 30 seconds, and now while we're waiting, we'll have a dance break. Wow, now that's done. Take your bowl out, grab yourself some paper towels, wipe away that grime. It's easy, and it comes right off. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you properly clean your microwave. That was your tip. I hope you learned something. Ha ha ha!